Let me do a quick walkthrough what will you get from TimeBook Starter Kit and how to get started with it. Basically, what is TimeBook Starter Kit? It has educational and productivity contents for you for about 400 days or so. Here is 49 days of personal development to get started. You can start any day. It's TimeBook The Start to the Good Life, which gives you a basic overview and fundamentals how to use the whole concept. Here you can see success workbooks. There are 4 different ones with different themes, and each of them lasts for 1 quarter. And to mix the educational contents with productivity calendars to get things done for real, then here you can see 4 calendars for 1 year, 4 quarters in a year, 4 calendars for a year. So you don't have to carry with you very heavy. You don't have to carry all of it with you, but only the most important things. And what the options you can choose from is first choose a binder. Either you want the real physical thing, or maybe you're only a digital guy. If you're only a digital guy, then you can also get these contents on interactive PDFs. But if you love writing through like I do, then choose between the presidential, professional, classy black, navy blue, cherry red, or beige beige covers or binders. And the binders, let me quickly show you. They have magnetic flap, so really good. You don't have to push it through, but you can just flip it together or close. Here is the pen loop, so you would always have your pen with you. Bookmarks to quickly open the pages on the right places. For example, I use these high quality bookmarks that don't spread here, like one for the day, one for the week, and one for the lesson. If I don't mix them together, but you can mix them together. Business card holders, paper holders, high quality stainless steel 6-ring binder. You can also put Filofax inserts here or refills. And it's, as you can see, pretty modest, so it doesn't yell anything to your neighbors, but it looks classy and you can go with it everywhere. And this symbol is a really cool one. It came to me in a night as I was reading, and a year later I learned that this is everlasting or endless knot, which means everlasting, which symbolizes everlasting growth. So really accurate for that. Do you want to look into it? I will do a quick tour for you. So TimeBook The Start to the Good Life is for the beginners to understand the concept, to get their time management onto next level, and to know what to improve in life. So basically, here you can see every day you have 3 challenges. It lasts for 7 weeks, and it all is meant to build a great life. Here you can see the new beginning, let's get you ready video. You can open it with QR code reader like described here, depending on the symbols next to the checkboxes. You can see it's, for example, YouTube video, so you know that you can type this title into YouTube or open with QR code, and you will find the video. And here are 3 daily challenges to really do this thing. One of the key aspects of TimeBook, or the foundations, is to not live fully only in one area of life, but in all areas of life. So wealth, health, relationships, and self-awareness. So every month you do this self-assessment. And you will figure out which area is the least satisfied for you, and then you set goals for those areas to get them better. to not let anything behind. Because if you are missing out in one area of life, it will soon spread in different ways to the other areas. So we always want to get the lowest score up, and we want to keep it as round and big as possible.